Okay, let's go on to IELTS speaking part 2. Talk about an interesting old person you met recently.
Okay. It's always pleasure to meet someone, especially with an old person with a tone of stories and experience. Share it. Recently, I recently the old person I recently had been meeting is named Ahmadin. He is 17 years old. I met firstly in the tea cafe. He tell me that he was an retired teacher, and we talked a few hours about his experiences. And at the end of the conversation,
Conversation.
conversation, I felt like that we became a good friend. We became a good friend. I enjoyed time spending with him and go for eat on the local restaurant, and go for cinema for seeing for watching the movies. uh, I I found him very interesting because he is full of stories and experiences. I would never expose to him if I had not met him.
Okay, all right, overall good. Main issues are related to grammar,
Okay.
sentence structure and grammar, and then its pronunciation.
Okay.
Try to brush up all these things. You spoke for 1 minute and 10 seconds. Timing is good,
Okay.
but language resources should be improved further. Now we move on to speaking part 3. Do you think old people and young people can share the same interests?
No, I don't think that old people and young people can share the same interest, because the old people have the old experience to them, and the young people has the technology, and they not relate with each other.
Okay. What skills are important to learn?
The skill are important to learn for the young people are like on these days, like freelancing, Amazon. But the old people have not experienced this skill as much.
Okay, so pay more attention to part 3 as well
Okay.
and brush up your basic English grammar. Then it'll be fine, right? So, looking at all your performance, I'll give you 5 band for now,
Okay.
but you can improve it,
Okay,
right?
sir.
Thank you.